Hello, can you believe that I am here right now on camera talking to all of you? I can't believe it, but I'm definitely happy to be here, happy to see your faces. So sé que ha pasado un tiempo sin subir un video. La verdad es que la pandemia ha sido muy intensa para mí. Incluso antes de la pandemia, mi vida sufrió muchos cambios importantes. And for those of you that were watching some of the last series of my videos, you know there were major things that happened and changed, and I just don't have the time that I used to anymore. But I have to say, I realized there are a lot of new people that have come onto this channel, even though it's been a long time since I've published something. I have to tell you, mil gracias. Welcome a la familia de tu y yo, and of course the original gang, the original familia de tu y yo. Thank you so much. I am just really honored to even have you still here with me. So thank you. Last thing I'm going to say is that I know the pandemic has affected all of us in like one shape or another, and I just want to extend my love to you, and I want to extend encouragement to you, especially if you're still facing a really hard, difficult time. Sigue pa'lante and stay encouraged. Keep going. Los quiero. All right. So, let me see. All right. Voy a hablar sobre un tema de gramática avanzada. Si eres un hablante nativo, este video no se aplica a ti. But you're welcome to stay. You can help, la comunidad de tu y yo in los comentarios. That's always welcomed and appreciated. And if you already are at a really advanced level too, then, might not serve you that much, but your help to the community is great, right? All right, let me share my screen and let's get started. So hoy voy a hablar de expresiones impersonales. So here, what we're seeing is pretty much a sentence structure. With this sentence structure, you'll basically see that you need to terminar la oración con el subjuntivo. You'll need to finish the sentence off with the subjunctive. So aquí tengo una lista de ejemplos. These are examples of certain words or expressions that you'll need to finish the sentence out with ¿qué? Más el subjuntivo. So vamos a leer todo. Let's just look at all the examples that are here. So we have a no ser, contable, es aconsejable, es conveniente, es fundamental, es importante, es posible, es probable, es imprescindible, es improbable, es incierto, es interesante, es mejor, es necesario, es urgente, es bueno y ya. Ahora bien, there's more examples. These aren't the only ones. These are just some examples. And I think maybe some of the more common ones for sure is going to be like es necesario, es urgente, es mejor, ¿me entienden? Ahora bien, I have a sentence here that puts all that together. So let's take a look at that. Here we go. Te compro lo que quieras con tal de que seas feliz. So, ¿qué tenemos aquí? Con tal de. Then we have que. Y al final tienes que terminar la oración con el subjuntivo. En este caso será seas feliz. Cool. All right. That's it. I wanted to share that with you guys. It's something that for those, that are still working on getting to a certain point in their Spanish, hopefully that's something that you hadn't looked at before. You didn't know that if you use something like this, you need to finish it off with the subjunctive. So hope this is helpful. Again, we'll see what I can do, if I can make more time to do more videos. Thanks for joining. Thanks for staying around. Los quiero mucho. And hopefully I'll put another video out soon. Besos.